Find the position of the screen, latch and press it in and pull it down. Put down the corner protectors on both sides. Panel alignment. Lock in. Fix the screws using the connecting piece. Don't forget to put the corner protectors on each panel. Lock in the bottom, fix it to the left. Align each panel again. Lock each latch in sequence. Confirm the fixation. Repeat the previous steps for each panel. Floor stand bracket and locked. Lock each connecting piece between the bracket and panel. Remove the power and network cables from the accessory box. Connect the power cord, align it with the hole position and press it in and twist it to the right. Connect the power and network cables of each panel. Nova TB50 Media Box. Connecting the power supply and Wi-Fi antenna. Connect the cable of the TB50 box to the network cable port of the last screen in the lower right corner. Debugging LED software. The panel connection method selected by the software needs to be the same as the actual one. Screen install done.